Hello and welcome to Gardening with Soul. I'm doing a little Facebook Live here, sitting next to my lady slipper Euphorbia. Now us botanist people used to call it petalanthus, and some people in labs decided that it's actually really a Euphorbia, despite the fact that it's very, very different. A friend of mine gave me a big pot of this plant, and I just sort of divided it and stuck it in the ground, and some of the branches didn't make it, as you can see, but others did very well, and 1 year later they're flowering, and they have these gorgeous slipper-like flower structures. And this one came off very easily. It's almost done with its life. I'm going to bring it up close to the camera so you can see it. And I'm in full sun, so I can't see if you see that or not. Yeah, really pretty little flower. And the hummingbirds will come and sip nectar right from there and get the pollen all over their chins as they come in and sip the nectar, which is in the spur of the flower. This basically has no leaves on it. It'll have a few very short-lived little leaves like down here. But this is what it does. It grows into a big clump. It does photosynthesis. We are standing out in the unfenced portion of my yard, and the javelina have not bothered this. Well, they do bother it. Every now and then they'll take a bite and they'll go, oh, ick, I forgot I don't like this. But it's a javelina, or a critter-resistant plant. The rabbits don't eat it, nobody. So if you really, a hummingbird just came by. He said, what are you doing next to my flower? I'm hungry. I'm gonna hurry up and finish. If you do want this to look better, you can of course cut off the dead growth at any time. That would clean it up a little bit. I'm trying to think what else to tell you about this. Oh, it is very frost sensitive. It doesn't take it much below 30 degrees. And as you can see, we had a mild winter because nothing died. Now, if we have a really cold winter, like the winter of 2011, when it got down to 11 degrees, this would die to the ground, but the soil stayed warm. The soil didn't freeze. So most likely it would come back from the roots. Now, I said it just keeps growing and forms a big clump.